In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get from 0 to 10,000 followers in just 6 months on Twitter or X, whichever you want to call it. If you're an entrepreneur, creator, writer, and want to grow to 10,000 followers as fast as possible and make thousands of dollars in the process, the best way isn't to do it by posting on Facebook, where your aunt is posting wacky conspiracy theories and all this. One of the best social media platforms to post on right now is X, or as most know it, Twitter. Before you write it off, let me explain why Twitter is one of the best social media platforms to be on right now. People often overlook it and think it's just a place to post memes, but there's honestly thousands, if not millions, of people selling their services on this platform. There's almost 400 million active monthly users on Twitter, yet only about 3 million of them create content on a weekly basis. And then there's only a fraction of those 3 million users that actually create good content consistently. I mean, scroll on Twitter and most of the content is just boring, dry, and to be honest, you don't even want to look at most of it. That means that there's way less competition and room for growth on Twitter before other people catch up. Now that you know Twitter is the place to be, I'm going to lay out a 7-step plan to show you exactly how to rapidly grow on this platform. This is the same formula I used to go from 0 to about 40,000 followers, as you can see here on the screen, in just about 18 months. So make sure you watch until the end of a sneaky trick at the end as well to increase your chances of getting this 10,000 followers in 6 months and actually execute these tasks. Now, I'm also giving away a free document within this, so comment on this Freelance, so comment Freelance below if you want me to send over that document. It's a 30-page doc showing you everything that's involved in the entire process of building your business on Twitter. So, number 1, to begin, get Twitter Blue. It's often overlooked and it's just a premium service essentially on Twitter. It costs like $10, maybe $12 a month. It is worth it just to have that blue tick, as you can see here on my screen. Why would you not have it? It shows that you're verified for a long time and it shows that you're trustworthy. Twitter Blue will give you increased visibility. You can create different bookmark categories. You can access exclusive features. You can have enhanced profile customization. There's a lot. Investing in Twitter Blue is 100% worth it. Next up, you need to optimize your profile. So once you're actually in as a creator, the second step to grow your Twitter profile as fast as possible is optimizing your profile picture. So if I bring myself here, you can see profile picture is the first thing to change. Make it professional, get a shirt on, have it look clean background, black and white, whatever it may be. Take advantage of this. To show you some other examples of people inside my program, let's take even Brilliance, right? Let's take Helmy, for example. These are very, very optimized profile pictures, accounts, and that's what needs to be done for your profile picture in the first place, okay? Next up, that's very important, is the banner. A little trick for you is use Canva.com. You can have templates. You can type up Twitter banners or Twitter headers in there, one of them, and it'll actually give you the templates, and you can custom your own copywriting in there. Basically say what you sell as a service. This is a perfect place to do it. Like, you can see mine, you can see Osh, you can see Brilliance, you can see Helmy, all different offers doing different things, and they have that stated in their banner. Next up then is the bio or the about section. You can literally put your offer in here. For me, it's sign 3 to 10 high ticket clients through freelance business in 180 days guaranteed, or you get a refund. Then you have a link here where people can actually go in, book the call, and make that change. If we look at the bio for Osh, he's showcasing here that he helps X customer, his ideal customer, and that he's helped these different D2C brands, okay, plus 50 more. This is a simple way of, again, showcasing social proof, showcasing what you do and what you can provide to prospects. Now, next up, you need a pinned thread. For me, it's exactly how I helped a student in my program make 15.6k and grow to 5k followers on Twitter in just 60 days. And I basically talked through that whole process. Very straightforward, very simple. For, let's take Helmy, it's basically a testimonial video, right? He did work on YouTube with me. For Brilliance, it's basically, again, a testimonial or a case study. So this is very straightforward, very easy to do. It's get a testimonial, get a case study, or else showcase what you do. detail it. If I build landing pages, write down that process of how do you build the landing pages. Okay. From there, then you need to generate content, daily content on Twitter. Post 2, 3 times, 4 times a day if you absolutely can. And basically use ChatGPT, use it to take it to your advantage, get ideas from it. Now, you don't want to exactly tweet those ChatGPT tweets, but you can use it and actually give you a guideline on what you're going to tweet. Put it in your own words. It's very simple to do that. If you're in a fitness account, post fitness tips on Twitter. If you're a writer, post tips on how to grow as a writer. You can also post before and afters showcasing results of your clients. This is all showcasing social proof. Now, if you want to bulk your work, you can use a tool called Hype Fury here. You can essentially write your tweet, schedule it for a time that suits you, and you can schedule essentially unlimited content. So if you're a busy working professional and you've busy family life, busy at your 9 to 5, there's still no excuse. You can write your content whenever you're free and then schedule it. You don't have to, it could be while you're in the middle of work, while you're in the middle of lunch. It'll post. On a flight, it'll post. It doesn't matter. Fantastic tool here, Hype Fury. No affiliation, by the way. But to give you more of an example of my personal journey and how I got to 10k and beyond is literally I started selling landing pages, and within 3 months I was making 10k a month. You don't need a ton of followers to do this either and to make this amount of money. I've had students with just a few thousand followers and are making 15 to 20k a month. All that matters is your content is centered around a problem and you're solving a problem. You are that solution for your ideal customer. But to be honest, the more traffic means the more conversions you will have. The more eyeballs means the more money you'll make. There's a lot of different tricks to do this. Now, something you can do is download this Chrome extension called TweetX. And if I go to someone's profile, let's take Osh, I can see what he's done here. I can click Tweet Hunter X, Chrome extension, and see what's performed best for him. AI and ChatGPT. For me, I do the same thing. It's ChatGPT and copywriting. So now we can look at these, recreate it. We get ideas of what works. Now maybe we can make our own giveaway or our own tweet on ChatGPT and landing pages, ChatGPT and copywriting. These are all fantastic ways to grow and take advantage of what's worked already. Another way to grow really, really fast is to actually create a folder or a list here, as I've done myself. I have a label called my name, but you can put people in this list that are large accounts and people that you want to follow and comment on. And then when I comment on let's say Dickie Bush, he has 390,000 followers. I'm going to get thousands of followers by commenting on this, or thousands of views, my apologies, maybe even followers, right? If your comment is good enough, you're adding to the conversation. Don't just say you're commenting an emoji or something like that, or don't just say, yeah, I agree, yes, I agree, no, I don't agree. Give your opinion, add to the conversation. This is important to do. You're taking advantage of their following to leverage, and people will see you and follow you in those comments. You can also post organically. You don't have to grow by paying for ads, paying for anything like that. Grow organically. All my students have done it. I've done it. You don't need to pay. Okay, so you can get to 10, 20, 100,000 followers purely from posting content. Twitter is a fantastic place to actually get out there and get views. All in all, Twitter is a fantastic place to sell your services and to actually grow. It has to be taken advantage of. And it's an easy way to build an online business, especially a freelance business. I have a private community of 70 plus people who are all making money freelancing from Twitter. It's an absolutely killer place to be. The results have been insane, as you can see there on my profile. How Osh made 15.6k in just 60 days. We've had Brilliance make like 20k in 3 months. These results are endless. We have Osh now making 25k a month at the moment, a year into his journey, scaling to 40k a month and hiring. So all the results we're getting are absolutely insane. We've tens and tens and tens of students getting these exact results, and I've done it myself. This is what I'm teaching. I'm teaching what I've done myself, and it works. So if you're interested in that, click the link below. There'll be a link in the description, and you can look at the playbook, or else you can book a call directly with me. It'll be free. Put your details in. We can speak on a call and see if you're a good fit for the program. See if I can help you, and if I can't, at least you'll go away with some actionable information. And be sure to subscribe to this channel. It would mean the world to me. If you have any questions, comment and like the video. Thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.